Hello guys, Ivan here, and in this video I want to show you this beautiful E-Class Coupé. This is the new facelift version. If you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified for all new videos. So now we can open the doors and check out here the new changes at the facelift of the E-Class Coupé. So this particular car is equipped with Macchiato Beige and Magma Grey. So Macchiato Beige is the beige color and Magma Grey is on the dashboard on the top. We have also this black ash wood trim. So these are the perforated seats which are ventilated and also heated. Very nice and comfortable seats. Burmester hi-fi system as well. An AMG logo at the floor mats because this is a AMG line trim. So at the front we can see you have memory seats, Burmester sound system, you can see the vents and this new steering wheel which is for the AMG line, and you can choose from different styles, so you have classic, sport, progressive and understated. And this new AMG line steering wheel has two horizontal parts on each side and also at the vertical side, so it has really nice design. You can see the seatbelt extender, so it's easier to grab seatbelt, and the doors are frameless because this is a coupe. So the largest Mercedes-Benz car ever fitted to a steering wheel, and the steering wheel is now also thicker, so it's easier to grab. So with the left part you can control the Distronic and Distronic Plus system. With the right side you have buttons for the calls and also for navigation of the MBUX system, which is also new for the E-Class. So you have two large 12.25-inch screens and these rounded vents. So we can see here fully electric memory seats, heated and ventilated seats as well, Burmester hi-fi system and controls for the lights, so you can change from auto to parking or to main headlights, also parking lights and fog lights on each side. So really nice design, and it's much easier to grab the steering wheel. So here in the dashboard menu you can choose from different styles, like this understated, very minimalistic design, and then we have other. We have also service, and in other styles we have a sport and classic. Sport is like a green and gray with yellow accents. Then you can choose also the classic, which is more in the blue theme, so you have different shades of the blue. So very nice and classic design. Here in service you can also change and you can choose from other features like assistance, telephone, navigation, trip, radio, media or service. In service you have AdBlue for the diesel variants and also tire pressure and stuff like that. So with the right part of the steering wheel you can control the MBUX system, other features which you may encounter. You have ambient lighting, seat comfort, seat kinetics, lumbar support, side bolsters, heat seating balance, or you can reset. And more features and overview of the system I will show you in the sedan version. So it's really great. You have also touch capabilities on this display, so you can touch and control it by your hand. And you can also rearrange icons based on your liking, the order of the icons in the menu. So that's really good. And I will show you more of that in the sedan version. So here in navigation you have a really fantastic and high detail live navigation with live traffic. So we have vents which are illuminated, 2-zone AC unit, shortcuts, 2 cup holders, wireless charging for your phone, USB-C port. In the middle you have dynamic select where you can choose with Sport Plus, Individual, Sport, Comfort and Eco mode. You can choose which you like depending on your driving style at the moment. And you have also the middle armrest with hidden 2 USB-C ports and some storage space. Everything is made to a high level standard of the E-Class Coupé and Mercedes-Benz, and these seats are ventilated, very soft, fully adjustable also heated. The glove compartment was locked. So here in the sun visor you have a mirror, cosmetic mirror with a light, and the microphone is above you. Here you have a storage space for sunglasses and buttons for the lights. Also you have a control for the panoramic roof, so you can open it, but it's wet, so I don't want to open it. You can close the sunshade also if it's too sunny. And at the rear you have a really nice space, so two adults can fit there comfortably. I tried that before, so I can insert that in this video so you can see. Alright, so guys, now I'm in the back, and I set the seat the same way as I would drive, and I'm 186 centimeters, 6 feet and 2 inches, and this is fine. As you can see, I have this much space, my knee can have a free movement. This is nice curved a little bit, and yeah, I really like this rear interior, and I think I could sit here no problem. Maybe even maybe even like a long journey. So this is a black tinted windows and Burmester sound system speaker, and you can raise your arm here, so really looks great. Also a contour seat, a little bit narrow as you can see, but not a big deal. You have also cup holders here. Maybe you can even order like a armrest here, but yeah, many people won't have usually people in the back here, they will just drive here with the passenger, so maybe they don't need this. It's a really nice place to be here. You can also use these vents. You can also change hot and cold air. So really nice place to be here, and I'm a more than average tall person, and this is no big deal for me, so I really didn't expect this. So I'm in the back, guys, now, and as you can see, my head is not touching the roof. I have like, okay, so maybe 3 fingers, maybe 4, so like this. So enough room even for like a drive here, passenger drive, rear passenger. And oh, nice feature, this is to hang your shirt. Very nice detail. So I'm comfortable here, and actually more space than I expected, and yeah, this is just fantastic. You have also here the seat belt, so you can use it, and this is great and comfortable. Also here you have lights, maybe you can also turn it from the front, and also the view on the panoramic roof. And if you want to get out from the car, just press this and lean forward the car. I mean the seat, sorry. The seat is moving, and you can exit the car. But the dimensions for the passengers didn't change, so yeah, I can fit there very comfortably. And you have also ISOFIX for child seat and 2 cup holders in the middle. So very spacious and no issue for the rear passengers, even for adults. So now we can open the boot and check out the luggage space. So the boot is generous, 425 liters, but of course this is a coupe, so you need to take that into account. So you can fold rear seats in 40-20-40 split. We have also these hooks for some bags. So I would say for the coupe, this luggage space is pretty great. And we have also some storage space underneath. So really great usability. The boot is of course electric. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this new E-Class facelift and tell me which is your favorite, the AMG line here or the exclusive line with the hood emblem, Mercedes-Benz emblem on the sedan next to it. Alright guys, so thank you very much for the support. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day and stay safe.